Hello my friends, I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and I'm so happy to see you. You may or may not know that this last summer I moved from Mexico to Madrid in Spain. The bad news is that since I am realizing some personal projects here and also I'm studying a master's degree, I have not had a chance to make more tutorials for now. The good news is that the master's degree is in concept art, or the creation of new worlds digitally, and that I look so much forward to start sharing some of the knowledge I have learned. I wanted to say hi to you and especially to wish you a fantastic 2023 in which you realize all your goals. See you soon.